What is up guys, my name is Chase. We have a box. You know what we're doing. Oh my gosh guys. This is an iPhone 12 Pro. The box is really thin. Look at that box though. This year Apple took out the AirPods as well as the charging brick. It saves the environment, all that stuff. I think it's good we're saving the environment. It's a bit of a pain in the butt that we don't have the charging brick. AirPods I could live without. I mean, how often do you see someone walking around with wired AirPods? I know it's harder to find than Santa Claus. Anyway, before I actually go on, let me just say that this is actually my mom's iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys saw my last video, I talked about why I'm not getting the iPhone 12. My iPhone 10 is fine, I can hold on to it for one more year. But luckily my mom let me unbox her phone, so YouTube stonks. I'm gonna peel off her little plastic bit. Ooh, it's always satisfying every single time. Here we go, there it is. Holy cannoli. I get to see it for myself. I still haven't actually seen this thing in person, nor have I held it. I feel like I'm about to hold my child for the first time. Here we go, opening the box. Holy cannoli, there it is. It's right in your face, dude. Oh my god. Look at that. So I'm gonna be comparing this to my iPhone 10 just for reference. I just want to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So there it is next to my iPhone 10. The camera bump is quite significant. Anyway, let's take this baby out. Oh my gosh. Yo. Interesting, the weight feels... I'd honestly almost say that the iPhone 12 Pro might be heavier than the iPhone 10. Tough to tell. It's a tough little comparison here. We got, ooh, it's a baby little paper stuff. I'm not gonna go too crazy because like, this is my mom's one. I wanna make sure I put everything back where it was so my mom can open it for the first time. Interesting, so since the package is smaller, we only get one Apple sticker now. It's getting more and more likely that I'm gonna boycott Apple. One Apple sticker, are you kidding me? Alright, and then also we have the Lightning to USB-C cable right here. You know, it's interesting that Apple finally switched the Lightning cable to USB-C, but now they don't have a power brick for it. Alright, and then here is the actual iPhone 12 itself. Holy cannoli, dude. The back is like a nice matte finish, which is cool. Never really liked this glossy finish. As you can see, like I have a bunch of fingerprints and smudges all over this thing. And then, yeah, the front, there's like this cool little paper. It shows you what all of the buttons do. Anyway, let's peel this guy off. Yo. I can see my ugly face. And then the phone cracks. That's how ugly I am. No, this looks really good. Also, this is the first time I'm seeing the triple camera setup in person. Once again, it's a giant camera bump. So what's cool about this phone is that they basically took the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 10 body, but they shrunk down the bezels so that you're technically getting a larger screen, but it's basically the same size. It's a little bit bigger than the iPhone 10, I don't know if you can tell. Also, holy cannoli, look at this screen, yo. Also, holy cannoli guys, first time ever, we are officially connected to 5G on the iPhone. I think this is a really nice phone. But yeah, we're gonna set this to the side. I'm actually gonna turn it off so that my mom can turn it on for the first time. We're basically gonna reset this phone back to the packaging. I mean, not that my mom even cares about tech in general, but I'd like to at least give her the satisfaction of opening her phone for the first time. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of my unboxing videos, make sure you check out some of the videos below. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell. But for now, my name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.